Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 11th video all about phrasal verbs, and in this video you're going to learn 6 phrasal verbs with put. Some of them have more than one meaning. We're going to look at examples for each and some pictures, some illustrations, just to make it really clear. If you do find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. The phrasal verbs we're going to look at in this video are put on with 3 different meanings, put up with, put away with 2 different meanings, put off, also 2 meanings, put down and put out. We'll start with put on. Start a piece of machinery or an electrical appliance. Let's put the kettle on for a cup of tea. I'll show you what I mean by kettle in a moment. I put the oven on to heat up 10 minutes before I want to cook. Now this is a kettle. This person has put the kettle on and the kettle is boiling. When I moved to Spain, I was surprised to discover that most people don't have kettles in their homes. Instead, they heat water in the microwave. I'd be interested to know actually, how do you do it in your country? Do you have a kettle? Do you use the microwave? Tell me in the comments section down below. This person has just put on their television. The second meaning of put on is to apply makeup or nail varnish, also called nail polish. In the morning, I take a shower, get dressed, then put on my makeup. I can't decide which nail varnish to put on for the wedding. And here we can see this lady is putting on her makeup. This lady is putting on her nail varnish or nail polish. You can also say to paint your nails. So she is painting her nails. The final meaning of put on is to start to wear a piece of clothing or protective equipment. Put on your jacket, it's cold outside. Don't forget to put your mask on before you go into the doctor's surgery. Doctor's surgery is what we call the doctor's office or clinic here in the UK. This lady is putting on her socks, and this lady is putting her mask on. Put up with. This means to tolerate or accept something or someone you don't like. My son's teacher is very strict. She doesn't put up with bad behaviour. The English weather is often cloudy, but we have to put up with it. There's nothing we can do about it, so we have to tolerate it or accept it, even though we don't like it. You can see in the picture that this man is clearly annoyed by his wife or his partner being so close to him. He obviously prefers more space when he sleeps, but he loves her, so he puts up with it. And in the cinema, we can see this man has decided not to put up with this woman's behaviour of disturbing everybody and talking on the phone. So he's not going to put up with it, and he's telling her to stop. Put away. Consume a large amount of food or drink. She put away 3 plates of food at the buffet. We put away a huge amount of cake between us. Huge means very, very big. So you can see these 2 girls have just put away a lot of pizza. Imagine maybe they've already eaten 2 pizzas and this is pizza number 3. I would not be able to put away a burger this big. It's too big for me. Could you put away a burger this size? Tell me in the comments section. The second meaning of put away is to put something in the place where you store it because you have finished using it. Put your toys away when you finish playing with them. If I wash up, can you put away the dishes? And we can see this kid is helping her mum put away the shopping. And this person is putting away the Christmas decorations. It always makes me sad when it's time to put away the Christmas decorations. My favourite time of year, mainly, I guess, because it's the one time of year when I get to spend lots of time with my family. Put off. Cause to lose interest or enthusiasm for someone or something, or for doing something. She had a bad accident and it put her off driving for life. So the accident caused her to lose interest in driving. She didn't want to drive anymore. Don't be put off by how it looks. It tastes delicious. Imagine some food that has a very unattractive appearance. It doesn't look good, but don't let that put you off because it tastes good. We can see these odd-shaped carrots. In the past, supermarkets in England didn't sell food, fruit and vegetables that had a strange shape because they thought that it would put people off buying them. However, nowadays they do sell strangely shaped fruits and vegetables, usually at a cheaper price. This woman, she was obviously going to eat the leftover food from the fridge, but the smell has put her off. She does not want to eat it anymore. And put off, the second meaning, is to postpone, which means to delay doing something, usually because you don't want to do it. I always put off doing the ironing. This is true for me. I hate ironing. In fact, I don't just put off doing it. I don't do it. I specifically buy clothes that don't need to be ironed. Notice here that the R is silent, so we don't say iron, it's iron. You shouldn't put things off until the last minute. And this is a typical saying or expression, never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Easier said than done sometimes. Sometimes you just don't want to do it. We can see this person, they have a to-do list, lots of things that they were originally planning to do on Monday, then they put it off until Tuesday, and now they've put it off until Wednesday. And this example, we can see the 27th is the deadline. A deadline is the final date, the absolute latest time or date that you are permitted to do something. So if you're at university and you have to submit some work, usually you have a deadline when you have to give your work in. So this person is procrastinating, wasting time because they don't want to do their work. They are putting it off until the last minute. What are some things that you put off doing? Let me know in the comments section. Put down. To belittle. This means to criticize someone, often in front of others. So to say negative things about them in front of others, making them feel small and stupid. She's always putting other people down. His boss often puts him down in front of his co-workers. Here we can see in the picture the girl in the pink has obviously been criticizing or saying negative things to the girl in the black jacket. She's calling her a loser, so she's putting her down, making her feel bad. And here, this girl, whoever she's talking to, again, she's putting them down. She's criticizing them, making them feel small and stupid. You can imagine that she's just said something really unkind. The final phrasal verb is put out. Extinguish, stop something from burning. If you smoke, put out your cigarette in the ashtray. The firefighters needed a lot of water to put out the fire. So here we can see a firefighter attempting to put out a house fire. And here a man is putting out a fire in his home. The oven has caught fire. And the thing that he's holding, the red thing, we call this a fire extinguisher. So he is using a fire extinguisher to put out the fire. For more phrasal verbs, then take a look at my channel. I've got lots of videos on phrasal verbs, vocabulary, grammar, and exam preparation. And if you do like the content, then please like and subscribe to see more. See you in the next video.